When people come to Trenton and into our catering facility, they see first off how nice the facility is. You have such a unique atmosphere. You have the house feeling. You have the old style Victorian feeling, and it's more beautiful than anywhere around. But they don't realize how beautiful and how sophisticated our food is until the actual event, or if they come in for a tasting. Most of the time they are very surprised, except for the ones that know me, that always known that I've been known for such great food. We do more upscale and more personalized food here. We do a pinwheel salmon baked with a spinach stuffing. We also do a lot of filet mignon, New York strips, as well as making special items like our sweet potato hash underneath the New York strip, or a sweet potato risotto, or the rice pilaf. And we also did that cornucopia with the seafood, which is a gorgeous item with shrimp, lobster, and scallops with a lobster champagne sauce and a phyllo cone. Then during the week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we opened up our bar and we do light entertainment and small plates and appetizers. It's a very unique and small venue, and our staff, I can't emphasize enough on how great our staff is, from our chef, from our catering manager, to myself who's leading the pack. But I pride myself on just having such high quality service and products available.